These two vitamins ensure powerful erections after 60. Discover them in this video. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Sehat Mag. Today, we're discussing a topic that is crucial for men over 60 who want to maintain their vitality, confidence, and erectile health. How two specific vitamins can significantly improve blood flow, support cardiovascular health, and help ensure strong, long-lasting erections. As men age, their bodies undergo several physiological changes that can negatively impact overall function. One of the primary reasons for these changes is a decline in nitric oxide production, which is essential for proper blood circulation. Reduced nitric oxide levels can lead to weaker erections, lower stamina, and even erectile dysfunction and ED. However, the good news is that by incorporating two essential vitamins, vitamin D3 and vitamin K2, into your daily routine, you can counteract these issues and restore your body's natural ability to perform. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into why these vitamins are so powerful and how they can help you maintain stronger function and better overall health at any age. Why blood flow matters for erectile health. Erectile function isn't just about hormonal balance, it's about blood flow. While key hormones play a role in overall wellness, the ability to achieve and maintain firm, reliable performance depends on healthy circulation. Healthy blood vessels are flexible and can expand properly, allowing for strong and sustained function. However, as we age, arteries can become stiff due to calcium buildup, leading to restricted circulation. This stiffening process, known as arterial calcification, not only affects heart health, but also significantly impacts erectile health. This is where vitamin D3 and vitamin K2 come into play. These two vitamins work together to prevent arterial calcification, improve circulation, and optimize nitric oxide production, which is crucial for blood vessel relaxation and enhanced blood flow. Let's take a closer look at how these vitamins work and why they are essential for men over 60. Vitamin D3, the circulation and performance booster. Vitamin D3 is often called the sunshine vitamin because our bodies naturally produce it when exposed to sunlight. This essential nutrient plays a critical role in numerous bodily functions, including bone health, immune function, and overall vitality. However, as men age, their ability to synthesize vitamin D3 declines, leading to deficiencies that can negatively impact energy levels, circulation, and performance. Studies have shown that low vitamin D3 levels are linked to erectile dysfunction, reduced stamina, and weakened cardiovascular health. By ensuring adequate vitamin D3 intake, men over 60 can optimize their hormone balance, improve blood flow, and support their cardiovascular system, ultimately enhancing endurance and overall well-being. How vitamin D3 supports erectile function. 1. Boosts key hormone levels. Certain hormones play a major role in energy, stamina, and function. However, their levels naturally decline with age, often leading to reduced endurance, lower motivation, and increased fatigue. Research has shown a clear link between vitamin D3 and hormone production. A study published in the journal Hormone and Metabolic Research found that men with sufficient vitamin D3 levels had significantly higher levels of key male hormones compared to those who were deficient. Another study conducted by the Medical University of Graz in Austria observed that men who supplemented with vitamin D3 for a year experienced a notable improvement in overall vitality and endurance. This occurs because vitamin D3 supports the body's natural ability to maintain hormonal balance, ensuring sustained energy levels and peak performance. 2. Enhances nitric oxide production for healthy circulation. One of the key factors in maintaining strong function is proper blood flow, and this is where nitric oxide comes into play. Nitric oxide is a signaling molecule that relaxes blood vessels, allowing for better circulation throughout the body. Vitamin D3 enhances nitric oxide production, leading to better vascular function and circulation. A study published in the American Journal of Physiology found that vitamin D3 supplementation increases endothelial nitric oxide synthase, ENOS activity, which is responsible for producing nitric oxide. For men over 60, whose bodies naturally produce less nitric oxide due to aging, vitamin D3 supplementation can be a game changer for improving overall circulation and function. 3. Supports heart and blood vessel health. A healthy heart is essential for good circulation, and good circulation is key to maintaining endurance and peak function. The heart pumps blood through arteries and veins, ensuring that oxygen and nutrients reach every part of the body. However, as men age, the risk of cardiovascular diseases increases. Conditions like high blood pressure, arterial plaque buildup, and chronic inflammation can all restrict blood flow, making it difficult for the body to function optimally. Vitamin D3 helps reduce arterial stiffness, inflammation, and blood pressure, ensuring that blood flow remains strong and consistent. Vitamin K2, the key to keeping arteries clear. While vitamin D3 is crucial for supporting hormone balance and nitric oxide production, it needs a partner. Vitamin K2. This vitamin ensures that calcium is properly directed to bones instead of accumulating in the arteries, preventing arterial calcification. Vitamin K2 plays a crucial role in cardiovascular health, ensuring that arteries remain flexible and open, allowing for uninterrupted blood flow throughout the body. How vitamin K2 supports circulation and function. 1. Prevents arterial calcification. One of the leading causes of poor circulation in older men is arterial calcification, where calcium builds up in the arteries, making them stiff and narrow. Vitamin K2 activates matrix GLUB protein, MGP, which helps remove calcium from blood vessels, keeping them clear and flexible. This ensures better circulation and cardiovascular health. 2. Enhances the effects of vitamin D3. Without enough vitamin K2, taking vitamin D3 alone can cause excess calcium to deposit in the wrong places, potentially worsening circulation issues. This is why vitamin K2 is an essential partner to vitamin D3. 3. Improves overall blood flow. By keeping arteries clear of calcium buildup, vitamin K2 ensures that blood reaches all areas of the body efficiently, supporting endurance and vitality. Best natural sources of vitamin D3 and K2. Foods rich in vitamin D3, fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, egg yolks, beef liver, fortified dairy products, mushrooms, sun-exposed. Foods high in vitamin K2, fermented foods, natto, sauerkraut, kefir grass-fed dairy, cheese, butter egg yolks, organ meats, liver, kidney. If you struggle to get enough of these vitamins through diet alone, a high-quality supplement that combines vitamin D3 and K2 is a great option. Recommended dosage for optimal results. Vitamin D3, 2,000 to 5,000 international units per day. Vitamin K2, 100 to 200 microgram per day, preferably MK7 form. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It's always best to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. Erectile dysfunction isn't just about aging, it's about circulation. By incorporating vitamin D3 and K2 into your daily routine, you can significantly enhance blood flow, prevent arterial calcification, and maintain strong, reliable function well into your later years. Take control of your health and vitality today.